Hashtag Nayi Patri, Nayi Raftar. This is the new revamping speed that the Indian Ministry of Railways has envisioned. The central government recently gave approval to the multi-tracking projects across Indian railways, wherein the industrial corridors will be connected along with doubling its railway tracks. 7 projects of the Ministry of Railways have been approved to transform the infrastructure and boost connectivity for economic growth, a vision that was initially proposed by former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Let us now discuss the connectivity areas and the nature of these 7 projects. Hello and welcome, I am Shreya and you're watching the pamphlet. The first project in this connectivity model is that of the doubling of Gorakhpur-Cantt-Valmiki Nagar rail track. The importance of this is that this zone was a missing link to the alternative route of Delhi-Howrah corridor, which will connect the northeastern states with the other major cities of India. Now with the approval of this zone, we can expect more goods accessibility with the northeastern states and also a better connectivity with Nepal. This complex project will also have an 854-meter long bridge constructed over the Gandak river. This will require collaboration of both Bihar and Uttar Pradesh state governments for the efficient completion of this project. As of now, 8 projects are already under construction as a parallel to the Delhi-Howrah project. The total costing of this project is around 1,269 crore. Now next comes the Sonagar to Andal rail line, which will be quadrupled from the current double line. This project is very important in terms of being an alternative to the Delhi-Kolkata main line capacity. The workers and passengers from Bihar, Northeast, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Eastern UP who travel to the west will now get easy travel access. Also, the coal and steel beds from Jharkhand and Odisha will get a larger facility to transport their goods in the northern part of India. The total length of this entire project is 374 kilometers and it will cost about Rs 13,606 crore. This project will also add a good capacity to the railway sector of India. Now the third project is that of Nergundi-Barang and Khurda Road to Vizianagaram. This project is of utmost importance in the eastern part of India, where the Calcutta to Chennai connecting main line is heavily used for goods and labour migration. Students, workers from Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Northeast often use this route to travel to the southern cities of Hyderabad, Chennai and Bengaluru. The work on the Calcutta-Cuttack line has almost been completed and now it has been further extended to Vizag. Further from Vizag to Chennai, the work is currently under progress. This 385-kilometer long project will cost around Rs 4,963 crore, which will cater to the high demand on Calcutta-Chennai route. Now the fourth project is doubling the Mudkhed-Medchal and Mahbubnagar-Dhone section. Looking at the Mudkhed to Medchal route on the Secunderabad-Bangalore section, this will increase the capacity of trains running from north to south. About 50 extra trains would now be able to run daily on this route. Further, the Mahbubnagar to Dhone section would give a direct connection between Bangalore and Hyderabad, saving almost 50% of the travel time. This 417-kilometer long project would cost around 4,638 crore. Now the fifth project is that of the doubling of Guntur to Bibinagar route. This route is of utmost importance considering that it will give a major boost to the connectivity between Hyderabad, Vijayawada and Chennai. The travel distance would now be reduced. New train services like that of Vande Bharat could be introduced and the industrial clusters lying in the neighbouring areas will also be benefited. The neighbouring Jagaiya Pita and Janpahad areas are home to certain cement factories. The travel time of transportation of cement from these areas to the north would now be reduced. The 239-kilometer long project would cost around Rs 2,853 crore. Now next comes Chopan to Chunar section of UP and MP area. Singrauli area in this zone is a very big power generating section and a mining hub. The coal transportation to the north would become more accessible and time efficient. Also, the people living near the Singrauli area have maximum connectivity with Lucknow and Varanasi cities in UP. They would now get new services with the work on this project. Distance of 280 kilometers would now be reduced. The total 417 kilometer length project would now cost around 4,686 crore. The seventh and the last project is the Samakhiali to Gandhidham rail section, which will be quadrupled from the current double line. This section will connect the major ports of Gujarat, including Kandla, Mundra, Jakhau and Chunar, with the western dedicated freight corridor. This route is economically very important as a new cement cluster is being developed in the Bhuj region, which has a good amount of limestone deposits. The labourers migrating to these areas would now get new passenger services on this route. A total of 53-kilometer long project would cost around 1,429 crore. This visionary multi-tracking project will cover over 35 districts spread over 9 states. By improving connectivity and mobility, this project will mandate employment to over 7 crore people and give an ease in the transportation of essential commodities like cement, coal, crude oil, etc. Also, by increasing the existing network of Indian Railways to 2,339 ton kilometers, there would be a reduction in the congestion. The freight loading capacity would improve by 200 million tons per annum. Looking at the environmental benefits, this initiative would strengthen railways as an energy-efficient mode of transportation, which would help in achieving climate goals and reducing the logistic costs. This 32,500 crore project is one of the most dynamic initiatives that will revolutionize the railways in India. Let us know in comments what significant changes you have seen Indian Railways undergo in last one decade.